Let's delve into the nuances of English vocabulary and practice identifying the correct terms for various items, concepts, and situations. This exercise, what do you call these? Try with me, aims to enhance your vocabulary and understanding of advanced English words and phrases. Exercise, what do you call these? 1. An item used to hold your papers together without damaging them. Answer, clasp. Explanation, a device made of bent wire used to hold sheets of paper together. 2. The fear of being in a confined or enclosed space. Answer, claustrophobia. Explanation, an irrational fear of confined spaces. 3. A small object that brings good luck. Answer, talisman. Explanation, an object that is thought to have magic powers and to bring good luck. 4. The period of time between childhood and adulthood. Answer, adolescence. Explanation, the transitional stage of development between childhood and adulthood. 5. A person who studies rare and valuable coins. Answer, numismatist. Explanation, someone who studies or collects coins, paper currency, and medals. 6. A word that is pronounced the same as another word but has a different meaning. Answer, homophone. Explanation, words that sound the same but have different meanings, and sometimes different spellings, example, pair and pair. 7. The feeling of intense dislike or disgust. 8. The act of speaking or acting on behalf of someone. Answer, advocacy. Explanation, public support for or recommendation of a particular cause or policy. Aversion. Explanation, a strong feeling of dislike or opposition. 9. The edge of a steep slope or cliff. Answer, precipice. Explanation, a very steep rock face or cliff, especially a tall one. 10. A person who loves and collects books. Answer, bibliophile. Explanation, a person who collects or has a great love of books. 11. The state of being well known for some bad quality or deed. Answer, notoriety. Explanation, the state of being famous or well known for some bad quality or deed. 12. A place of refuge or safety. Answer, sanctuary. Explanation, a place of refuge or safety, especially for someone being pursued or in danger. 13. The study of human societies and cultures and their development. Answer, anthropology. Explanation, the study of human societies and cultures and their development. 14. The power to produce an intended effect. Answer, efficacy. Explanation, the ability to produce a desired or intended result. 15. A person who is new to a subject, skill, or belief. Answer, neophyte. Explanation, a person who is new to a subject, skill, or belief. 16. A professional soldier hired to serve in a foreign army. Answer, mercenary. Explanation, a professional soldier hired to serve in a foreign army. 17. A feeling of pensive sadness, typically with no obvious cause. 18. A philosophical theory or approach that emphasizes the role of individual freedom and choice. Answer: existentialism. Explanation: a philosophical theory emphasizing individual freedom and responsibility in personal development through acts of will. Answer: melancholy. Explanation: a feeling of pensive sadness, typically with no obvious cause. 19. A person who is skilled in the use of words. Answer: wordsmith. Explanation: a skilled user of words. 20. An expression of praise or admiration. Answer: accolade. Explanation: an award or privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. Benefits of this exercise: 1. Vocabulary expansion. 2. Contextual understanding. 3. Precision in language. 4. Confidence in usage. 5. Cultural insights. Advanced English lesson tips. 1. Regular practice. Try new words and use. 2. Read widely. From literary to academic works, learn a variety of terminology. 3. Thesaurus. Find synonyms and antonyms to better understand words. 4. Writing exercises. Use new terminology in journaling or writing. 5. Conversational practice. Use advanced words to reinforce learning and ensure accurate pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Thanks for watching my channel. Happy learning!